That's it. Morning, morning. We on the go in the good life.
Yeah, man.
Heading to the Blue Mountains.
That's right. We up.
We up.
5,000 above sea level.
Yeah. See there, so you get the natural spring water. Another day in a good life.
Sunday.
Good life. This is my general. You're on the good life. Introduce yourself.
My name is Arlan Dakar. I'm a part of the Mountain Forest team.
Yeah, man. Alongside the Good Life team, cause that's the thing there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And this is Shango, you know. Yeah, man. Part of the whole Mountain Forest thing.
Blue Mountain Coffee.
Blue Mountain Coffee, you don't know, world best.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Along with the Good Life.
See there.
And we are endorse the thing to the fullest, you know.
Say hello, say. We're on the journey
Yeah, man. We just have to make the trot.
to Blue Mountain, so you're gonna see a lot of previews.
Yeah, man.
So on the
The one, the one for watch.
yeah, so this is the one for watch.
Yeah, man. Anybody who never go Blue Mountain?
This is it. So if you ever been to Blue Mountain before, this is it.
Yeah.
Alright. Tashin, Jamaica Drive.
Yeah, man. Right, stop at all.
Straight to Blue Mountain.
Yeah, man. Blue Mountain, here we coming, huh? We can't sleep when the night comes.
So, I want to get on when I go on a trip. It's like going on a beach trip.
We can't sleep at night, brother.
First.
The anxiety is up.
Yeah, man.
But if not, I make you give rope for
Yeah, see.
when we come into the
I say, me, if you get rid of this post out of my vibes. So people don't mind me posting on the vibes, you know.
Yeah.
I've been trying to get rid of it. But most of it gone. Nice and bright in the morning, you know. It's a pleasant morning.
Not yet, not yet, not yet. Not yet, not yet. Foundation. I have a build foundation before yet.
One thing when you come on to early man, there's always traffic.
Yeah.
Rush hour. It's a rush hour traffic in the morning. So I'll pop inside traffic, no for them side.
You know, say, when you pass half a chain, I really encounter on traffic like that still.
Oh, okay.
When you pass half a chain, I really encounter on traffic like that.
Yeah, boy, Jamaica full of so much car now.
Yeah,
Traffic
and when
like
you look down off, the amount of down the same way.
see you,
When you clear it.
Yeah, that will pass and see it, man. I mean, like,
And when you go over off different things and different things, same way, brother, when you go up on the wharf itself, same way. I pull over the full when you say, if you rent here, if you put vehicle here.
yeah, come see them open next year as well
Yeah,
on the
man.
Marcus Garvey Drive.
Yeah, man.
I mean, I say, yo,
brother.
I say, Jamaica can't afford so much car up on the road, man. What the
Alright.
space there? There's not so much.
You must start building some overhead road. You know?
Whole heap of road I forgot build in the year. Whole heap of that I forgot build a
They
lot.
have the resources to do enough for them things, brother.
No. I mean, I tell you, there's so much car. It's unreal. The just like overseas first world country them where traffic non-stop.
See there? Yeah,
See there? Start already. So imagine them car where they are no half now clear.
I don't think they are going through it.
I'll cut through your son. I'm not really going
Yeah, come on the way you come in.
No. Alright, I say it really dead to you now.
Yeah, Ugly Park Road.
Yeah. I do some turn, you know, cut down the traffic, you know.
Like, you know, one of the program where me I say, boy, everybody shortcut there when they come on the traffic. Everybody know that shortcut.
Yeah. So every shortcut right there now full up.
Full up. So we're gonna need some underground road right now.
Some overhead.
Overhead. Every shortcut, I tell you, I just see it.
See everybody are going away.
I tell you, man. We're going to reach to the right destination. I got the traffic. Pleasant man life, you see everybody up and running still, you know.
Man, community up here don't know school morning.
And to them 9 to 5.
Yeah.
School, everything. E-class them and the hustler them out.
Everybody out here.
All the dog man running on the road.
Yeah man. With them breakfast.
You know? Out them early morning breakfast. Sick up the bones. Good life represent goodness. All things good. Oh, that
Yeah,
dog.
man.
I see the dog that sleep on the road and pass.
Like him dead.
Yeah.
I can't sleep, must sleep.
We know you have dog bossy like
Yeah,
that.
man.
Can you sleep in the
I
road?
say, I them run the street.
Yes,
say,
sir.
I call them on them like street people. I say, dog them behave.
See you, man. I tell us I sleep, must sleep, man. Cause I don't look like it.
I will say no blood, I don't
No
splash
blood,
it.
no, nothing. I sleep, must sleep, man. Them boss like, cause Julius road not really busy until traffic by the main.
But if you get some tires start to come close to the edge, I don't say no. And
Yeah,
that's
see,
the
get
I say.
Yeah.
That can't be colder.
Yeah.
Go on, look one.
And we know a waterhouse, this is the waterhouse area, isn't it?
Yeah, this is a Cockburn pen.
Cockburn pen.
Yeah. So I head for Waltham now.
Cutting out the traffic off Ugly Park Road. Now we're on Waltham Road right now. Igla them out, everybody out.
I want fruits, vegetable, real Jamaican food, grown provision.
Yeah, the man in here. Yeah, so we are putting a pot up in the Blue Mountain the day.
Why?
If it's possible.
So I call Scorpio and tell Scorpio, Scorpio a pot of line up, you know.
Yeah, because I've got up on the good life too.
John,
If it's possible, you know, we don't put him under too much pressure. Yeah, man in the road rage in Jamaica. Road rage in Jamaica.
Dog them, you know?
Well, at least the shortcut them are flow, it's flowing.
Yeah,
It's definitely
yeah,
flowing. I have no normal on these sides. Traffic. Right. So it's 7 in the morning. It's not so bad.
I'm tell him, say, go drive and make some money and look for your taxi and look for your license. They have license, but you never have one PPP pan.
Oh, them go tax office.
Busy. Oh, and half, little bit, man. Actually, you're going in a good season. Yeah, man, going about renewal time. Yeah, man. Oh, and half a little bit of time, that man.
When you start make some machine here, put your paper through and just boom, boom.
Yeah.
I just do it online.
Yeah, so when I go to them place, my first call, they say, yo, not a day, I just for just tax office. Them long, backwards, everything backwards, everything. Tax man and not paying a tax. And the only way them can tax them pressure them.
Yeah.
So only way. So what's the name of this road we're going on now, Tashi?
I'm calling it real like Hope Road, no?
Hope Road, yeah.
Hope Road.
Yeah.
We're going up Hope Road, see there? Yeah. Surgical and see whatever they say.
Keep that one. See, they might collect that one. Real in the street.
I job there really hard because sometimes I go give and take, you see me?
Yeah.
Even some of them can't even try to get them money like a shilling.
Yeah. And everybody has a thing.
Yeah. So my time, them there about change on them still, you know?
Yeah.
It's like a 50-50 job.
They are up on one of them night. For one night I have 15 grand.
One night.
For one night for them on one of them water.
Yeah.
And plus that different from medication and anything else them use. Like you use a gas pan here, you use a paper pan here. Everything you have to pay for, brother. No joke thing. Everything you have to pay for. Yeah, man.
So I go for medical, I pay for everything up there. But I have €3 there, so.
Yeah, man.
Everything.
We're gonna knock him door.
Ask him how I go on. Yeah. Yeah, that's a little bit.
TGI, Friday. I'm on spot for the Friday.
Fly past Bob so fast. Sorry, Bob. Yeah. Sorry. Forgive Tashian.
Yeah. I can't pass the rest of my place without need to.
Yeah, you know, pass it too fast.
Catch a one shot at it.
Best part of the sun of the morning sun, you know. But when you start strike after that, oh gosh.
It rise and when it set.
Best part. When it rise, you know, and setting. We're still on Old Road, though. Still on Old Road.
I enter legally here, you know. I have a Rastaman bridge into my juice and tea.
Yeah.
Yeah, natural juice and I use water.
Yeah.
And I use sugar.
Yeah.
Cane. At the place I chill the water.
Okay.
Well, I said no chlorine, no sugar.
When you open a Blue Mountain?
No, man, right up as I'm located. Man, wash down them cane them and scrub them off and...
Him out yet?
No, right on legally right.
No, I said him out now.
No. And I say we have to make the connection and organize.
Yeah. Now buy one of them right now. You know we are naturalists, you know, so.
Yeah, one day from up. Ah, you say you want something, huh?
Yeah,
Aye.
man.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna stop right and say it's a juicy place right now. I see cases cross road, man. I'm sure no one. Yes, man.
There's one stop on the journey.
Yeah. Man, just come off of work, say, man, breakfast. That's up fire.
Listen.
Yeah, so they are legal here now.
For them, the plaza this.
Yeah.
Yeah, juicy patty over there.
First global island. Yes, right.
I have to make a stop.
Food stuff.
The food stop. The taste is that.
Kino, one beef patty, veggie patty, and a carrot, 1,000. Mango fish.
Banana bread. Banana bread or brownie. Green banana.
Customer 190.
boys and girls. So for the next few weeks, we'll be coming out to showcase different departments. This department today we're focusing on getting rid of during children.
Customer 190. Customer 190. Customer
194.
I want one number. 198.
Go in. Yeah, Malcolm. Thanks for making it juicy patties. Yes.
We showcase the Nisha Sato singer.
Customer 196. Customer 196.
On the journey, on the route to the Blue Mountains. We're in Tashin, just apart from it. Back there, when you're back, getting peanut porridge. Straighten up the body, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Vegetable patty, you know?
Yes. kind of low for me. I'm feeling all the things in breakfast. Gardens, school days. They still up and running?
Yeah,
So we're not going to visit one of these days, man.
yeah, still up and running, but I think they ride and the thing them still, I don't know. They ride and the thing them still there. Someone still have the zoo.
Yeah, the zoo. The ride them still there?
Yeah, the ride them.
It's just the zoo. The zoo upgrade or the zoo still the same? They must upgrade the zoo.
Must upgrade it. First time I'll be riding.
Yeah, the country's beautiful. I was looking at the camera alone and the sightseeing and to the place. Beauty.
Yeah, man. Curry goat, them are so expensive like lobster.
No, okay, true, no, lobster them are deny. And lobster now you carry a lot of meat anyway.
Oh, so yeah.
They have to make the price right.
Yeah. UTech this, you know, one of the university them.
This is UTech.
University of Technology.
I prefer to come up here, man, Shamari. Big up yourself, Shamari, I listen. I know you're still a good life. So me I pass a university here. UTech.
How are they? You just had a phone? So you just had a phone?
you see that feel much better? So that's much better?
Yeah, man.
Brush off, yeah, so. Still have patties from. Don't mind